Hey guys, this is Jennifer, and hello to all my fellow wikis out there. What I was going to do today is do a quick video on this particular product, which I found at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is now open again. I went up to the store and found these, and I wanted to try them because they were on one of those those channels early in the morning where they, sell products, and they had these magnetic lashes. And so I'm not a lash wearer, but I figure magnetic lashes, why not try it? So these are from Ardell, okay? And it comes with a liner. Comes with a liner, a gel eyeliner, a brush, and some lashes. So I'm going to give it a try. Okay, it doesn't come with anything but those three things, and the instructions are on the back. Okay, the instructions are: apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Then place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet, and gently press down to secure. Okay, we'll try it. Let's see how this goes. Not that I'm hesitant on Ardell's part. I'm hesitant on my part because I'm having a hard time getting this out. That's because. So can I imagine? I might get my partner in crime to help me, but we'll see how this goes. Good Lord. God, it took a lot of effort to get out. Okay, this is the gel liner. Okay, this is the brush. Okay, I'm going to get my mirror out. A mirror, too. I'm going to put over here. Oops. Oh, got so much stuff over there sometimes. Okay. Let's see if I can move it over. There we go. I really need to flip the camera over. Give me a second, you guys. I'm so awkward. Okay, guys, much better. All right, we're gonna start. I'm gonna start by dipping this in here and applying it. To my upper lash line. The first feeling that I get is that this is a little tacky because I have a gel eyeliner that we use with Mary Kay's product line, and it goes on a lot smoother, but this is like a glue or a magnetic type thing, so I can understand why that's a little different consistency, but I'm just giving you guys an idea how this is going on. It's going on a little tacky, meaning harder to get on. That's okay, as long as it does the job. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 coat. Okay, so this is coat number 1, you guys. Okay, coat number 1. Now, by the way, my face is clean, and the only thing I did was put on eye primer because it says something about that in the directions. Let me see what it says exactly in the directions. For best results, apply on clean, dry lids. For best results, use primer prior to application. Okay, so I use my own eye primer that we have with Mary Kay prior to coming on camera and doing it. Okay, this is my second coat, so to speak. Stuff is definitely not going anywhere. At least this stuff is not. Okay, just a little bit more on this side. Okay. All right, I think I'm ready to put on my lashes. Now, the kind that I got are Ardell Wispies. So they're not big. I'm not a lash wearer per se. So I'm gonna just sit them right here. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Wait, well, that's easier said than done here. Okay. Okay, I got one kind on. Now, guys, I never did this before. Just letting you know. My daughter is the lash wearer in the family. I do not wear lashes. Okay, I think the second one did better because I did that a little different. Wait, put that on like right there. Oh, this is so weird. I'm just not used to having hardly anything on my eyeballs. I wear mascara. Okay, guys. This looks a little weird. I'll double check with the eyelash guru, my daughter, and see if she can adjust these if they need to be adjusting. But that's it. I'll come back and show you my final look once I put on my makeup and all my gloriousness. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can tell, I have the lashes on. See? Okay. And I put on a little makeup. I have on a CC Cream in Deep, which is your lightest coverage, and a little concealer under the eye. And this is an older Mary Kay lipstick. It's like pink rosé or pink blush or something. And I lined it with Violet Grazie. On the eyes is pomegranate with a little rich truffle in the outer corner of the eye, and then on the top is, I think it's Blossom. Okay. Oh no, my brows, did a little brow pencil, brows. Okay, so this is the final look. I'll take a picture with my eyes closed, but that is it. So far, so good. I'll let you guys know when I come home they stayed on or not, but no burning, no smell, nothing like that. Okay, guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you, I'm getting ready to take off these lashes now, and I want to do a test before I take off the lashes by using some of this gel eyeliner and putting it on the back of my hand. The reason why I want to try this is because earlier when I showed you guys the video of how to do this, it says no adhesive needed, long lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. Well, I enjoy these lashes. It was like there was no irritation to my eyes. My eyes tend to be sensitive, and I really enjoyed the lashes. So my little problem with taking it off is in the back. It says to use, wait, what did it say to use? It said to use oil-based makeup remover. Okay, well, I have a slight problem with the oil-based makeup remover part because the the because I'm an American consultant, I usually don't, in these type of videos, I don't really bring that out. But what I wanted to say was part of our training was oil is not really supposed to be by the eye. And so when you're taking off, when we have our eye makeup and we're taking it off, we have our eye makeup remover, which is oil free. Okay, so in essence, what I'm going to do is try this to see if it works and taking off this magnetic gel liner. Okay, so I'm trying a little bit on the back of my hand first before I go to more drastic measures, so to say. So I'm going to take a little bit and put it on this cloth right here. Okay, I'm going to see if it works. I'm just putting a little on. Okay, see, I just put a little and see if it's going to take it off. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's a win-win situation here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, since that is working, I'm going to take my oil makeup remover, oil-free makeup remover. It does say oil-free right here. I'm such a... So I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just going to saturate the cloth a little bit. And I'm going to remove these just like I would remove any makeup. And if you notice, I do have makeup on and brows and all that. So I'm just going to place this makeup remover over my eye. I'm just going to gently press. Okay. And press on the area. Just gently press on the area. Okay. Up. And there it is. Came right off. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, do the other side. Press it with the cloth. Kind of concentrate in this area. Don't be too rough because the eye is the most delicate area of the face. And there you go. It is off. Both lashes are off. Okay, so now I'm going to open up the cloth like so. And I'm going to remove the rest of the makeup using just pressing, just my little pressing technique. Okay, just press it and then I wipe the brows off. Just gently wipe that off. Okay. Okay, looks like that's working. Okay, might have to take a second pass at it. But it's taking it off a little bit more. Oh, makeup remover, okay. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. Not that this is a product review of any sort, but I really did enjoy this particular brand and the magnetic. And I love the fact that it said easy to apply because I'm a little bit spastic in getting my stuff on and off. I shy away from eyelashes because I'm not really good at putting them on or off. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these and put these back in its little section. You know, just kind of take them and clean them off a little bit. And we're going to put them back on here so they can sit on there. All right, so there you have it. Until next time, you guys.